So this is how we dismantle a hard disk. As you can see, Mr. Vinay Kumar is trying to apply a lever, a sort of lever to dismantle the aluminum foil over the hard disk, and you can feel some cracking sounds which show that the hard disk plates are being battered to death, and apply of extreme force has caused the aluminum foil to come up now, and we have reached the main surface. There is a center screw there, and that is also gone now, and we have seen the hard disk. As you can see, this is the hard disk plate, the data resides, and this is the motor which moves up and down. It is stuck right now because of we can drop the particles down now, and you see all the hard disk pressure coming out. And see, now this is the motor which goes like this and this all the way from the side. We can have a different view now. This is at the edge and this goes to the center, and this called ticking sound which you hear in old hard disks. This is the actual motor which rotates all the way, and these are some circuitry which is taking care of everything. And this is the motor control unit, so this controls the actual physical part of the motor. And this essentially is the hard disk of Hitachi, which is a 60 GB hard disk. This is actually the aerosol, so this keeps the moisture under control. As you can see, the moisture under control over here. This is the hard disk testing part. When we shut, that is again a PCB which you see over here coming out right now. And this is a resting point, like when the shut down, the whole head comes over here and rests down, and while reading it just goes back to center, just moves left and right. So this is the basic working of hard disk of Hitachi, and it has been since 60s. So that's it. Vinay, any expert comments on this?
Yeah.
So we are finding some more breakaway particles, some big ones now, and they are coming out, as you can see. Actually, we found that the hard disk was comprised of 2 layers, as you can see right now.
I wish I can say which file is on this.
There's a lot of data out there. Actually, you can see there are 2 layers. Only the top one is of any concern to us. The bottom one is just, I think, yeah, if you see over here, there are 2 heads. So basically, you are reading both the up and the down disks.
Okay.
So this goes a complete circle. The motor, see, now it is completely free, and you can see it rotating at a very high speed over here, and it just rotate it, and this goes inside here and it reads it. Okay, because of some physical types not going in right now, but yeah, it does go inside. So now you can, so उसको छोड़ दे. Okay, so that's it, and the whole hard disk has been dismantled. So as we come back to our original diagram, this is the hard disk HD. As you can see, the PCB is on the left. There is some cushion over there. This is the hard disk plates which we have dismantled right now. This is the hard disk as it looks right now. It's completely empty. This is the other part of the PCB where you can see a chip over there. A few more ICs over here, as you can see, and this is the model. Thank you.